You do this if you want to become a better rider. Today we are practicing some of our figure eights. Figure eights are really great to practice if you want to learn more of your trail braking, of counter steering, leaning, or even slow maneuvers with counterbalance. You name it, you can learn it by doing figure eights. Brake control, whether it's front brake control, rear brake control. Figure eights are one of the goats to learning how to ride a motorcycle better. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.